Before presenting sparkling wine, check the temperature to make sure the bottle is cold enough. The colder the wine, the more dissolved the CO2 is, and the safer and easier the wine will be to open. Prepare an ice bucket by adding ice and water, adjusting the amount of water to make sure the bottle will submerge into the solution. 2 serviettes will be required, one for opening and cleaning the bottle, and one for leaving behind with the ice bucket. 2 underliners are needed, one for the bottle should the guest choose to keep it on the table rather than in the ice, and one to present the cork. A waiter's friend wine key will be needed to cut the foil, as the pull tabs are famously unreliable, and the finish cut will be better if made with a wine key knife. Glassware should be brought to the table before the rest of the mise en place. This signals to the guests that the wine service is being taken care of, and makes it easier to bring the remaining items in one trip. To open a bottle of sparkling wine, pull it from the ice bucket and dry off thoroughly so that it's not slippery to handle, and present it to the guest to confirm that it's the right selection. Drape the serviette over the wrist while cutting the foil with a wine key knife. Keep the label facing the guest by cutting semicircles in the front and back of the neck of the bottle underneath the lower lip. And use the tip of the knife to pull the foil off cleanly. Wrap the bottle with a serviette and place your thumb over the cork to secure it before untwisting the muselet. Remember that as soon as you start loosening the muselet, the bottle needs to be handled with the utmost care to ensure safety. Untwist the muselet 6 times to pull it free from the neck of the bottle while keeping pressure on the cork with your thumb. Fully wrap the cork with the serviette and twist the base of the bottle, not the cork, back and forth while exerting downward force, and the pressure of the wine will help release the cork. Just before the cork is free, angle it to release the pressure and avoid a pop. It should sound like a controlled valve release from a car tire. Wipe the lip of the bottle and present the cork to the host. After the bottle has been safely opened and the cork presented to the host, pour the host a taste to approve the bottle. Once it has been accepted, pour each guest around the table in a clockwise order, finishing with topping up the host's glass. Don't forget to do the quick math on how many guest glasses need to be poured before starting around the table to make sure you get all the way around, especially if it's more than 4 people. There's nothing more embarrassing than running out of wine before finishing the initial service. After the initial pour, inquire with the guest on the temperature of the wine to see if they would prefer it on ice or on the table to warm up a touch. Finish up the service by offering to remove the cork.